Hi, so I'm gonna show how this program works. So I'm writing C sharp and I'm gonna run my program first. So I'm gonna say .NET build. Did I already build it? I forgot. So .NET run. So right now I don't have any tasks. So I'm gonna press enter to continue. So I can add a task. Let's say I need to review my language study. And then I'm just going to choose, it's optional, the date, so I'm not going to choose a date. I'm just going to go and say this is high because I need to study. And then the ID is going to be 1. Let's press enter. I'm going to list all tasks. So the first one, it says review my language study. And then I'm going to say number 3. I'm going to say the same, but let's add another one. So let's say I need to do homework, and let's add a date. So let's say this year, and month gonna be, let's say November, September 7. Low, ID 2, list all tasks. So now it shows 2. Number 3, it's gonna show the same, but let's mark 1 as done. So now when I check list pending task only, it's gonna show 1, which is do homework. And now let's remove a task. Let's remove number 1 and review my language study. Yes, I'm going to delete it. And when I choose number 2, it's going to show only 1 because I already deleted the study language. So let's say I want to save this to a text file. So I'm going to say number 6, and it's going to be saved to tasks. And let's exit. Yeah, that's basically how this works. But now I'll go through the code. So I have a bunch of functions here. So let's start here, which basically the program runs. It's going to print a header and then a menu, the menu that I've been using. So I have a switch statement with a bunch of functions here. So let's go for number 1, which is add a task. So this is basically what I've did. I added a task and the title is required. Then the due date is optional, and so on. Let's go for number 2, which is list all tasks. So basically it's gonna list every single task that I've added. It doesn't matter if I finish it or not, it's still gonna be shown. So I'm gonna get all. So this is very important because I'm getting this repo from my class task repository. So tackle done flow is gonna show if this is done, or I can also say undone this task. And let's see what else we have. We'll remove a task. I'm deleting by ID a task. And then I have a save, which is gonna save as a txt file. And I'm also getting this from task repository. So just to keep in mind, this is what it looks, my task repository. And I have this save here. So also have, where am I? The load, which is kind of like a save, and then the exit. Okay, so the X is gonna save and then say goodbye. Let's try it out, which is .NET run. Let's say I'm gonna add a task. I'm gonna say I record a video as medium. Okay, exit. It's gonna be saved here and say goodbye. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna go with task item, which is basically the structure of the tasks that I'm saving, like reading a book or doing homework. So this is the title, due, if it's done, created at, date, and the priority. Now I'm going with the task repository. It kind of looks like an API actually. So I have a couple of very useful functions like remove or toggle done, and also save if you want to save your file. If you want to save your tasks in txt, you need this function here, and to load a task, to load tasks. So that's basically what this is doing. Thank you.